Hello everyone, welcome to another Moment with Lorraine. Today I am going to be making a seamless candle cover. The possibilities with this creative candle cover are endless. These are the items you will need. I will leave them in the description below. Here is a covered candle holder that I made off camera. It's very easy to make and there's not much to it. If you have a few pillar candles hanging around and you don't know what to do with them and you want to change it up a bit, then this is the video for you. These are standard 6-inch pillar candles that I have never lit. I only use them for decoration. And as you can see, I have put the cover over the candle to change it up a bit instead of having to go out and buy new candles all the time. It's nice for a little change and to be creative with it. So let's get started on this project. As you can see, I got a little ahead of myself. I started cutting the orange fabric before I started filming. Before you cut the felt, be sure to measure it around the candle so you get the perfect measurement. I like to use felt because it is a stiffer fabric and works perfectly for this idea. You can use whichever color you want for whichever occasion or event that is coming up. I just happen to use orange because of the fall season. I use the hot glue and the E6000 to make a more secure closure. Be sure to leave a little material hanging over the edge of the candle to give you more room to work with. I am now going to cut 4 thin strips with the material that was cut off of the end in the beginning. I am now going to use a rubber band to gather the top of the felt together. Using the rubber band makes it so much easier in tying the tassels around the top of the candle. I am now going to attach the decorative burlap ribbon around the base of the candle. I am using hot glue and E6000 all the way around the base of the candle cover. You might want to grab a popsicle stick to press down where the hot glue is. I happen to have a chopstick laying by, so I wouldn't keep burning my fingers. And just remember, it's not a big deal if the end of your burlap ribbon or your felt is not neat, because all that is going to get covered up in the end, as you will see. I am now cutting 2 strips of the silver bling wrap. You can use gold or even white pearls to go around the base. The possibilities are endless. It is now time to make the flowers out of the twine. I wrap the twine around my hands 5 to 7 times, but with you, you can choose how big or small or how thick or thin you want your flower. That all depends, of course, on how many times you wrap it around your hands. While watching, you can see that it's pretty much self-explanatory. Adding green flowers is going to look very festive against the bright orange. It is now time to glue all the pieces of the flower together. I'm using the hot glue gun. You can use E6000 if you want, or use both for added security. Making these little rustic flowers is so easy and relaxing. I really love making them. Before gluing the flowers to the candle cover, be sure to spread out the little petals so it gives the flowers a more full look. I am now going to apply the flowers to the candle cover. I am putting them over the seam of the burlap wrap and over the seam of the felt. I only put flowers on the one side to hide the seam, but if you want to put flowers on the other side, that's up to you. If you want to put flowers going all the way around, that would even be great. You can use this for any occasion. Like I've said before, you can do it for a wedding. Make them in white and silver or white and gold or whatever color the wedding is. Again, the possibilities are endless. I am now going to add little dots of bling to the middle of the flowers. You can be creative and add whatever you want to the middle of your flowers. You can even add letters to the middle of your flowers and spell out a word. During Christmas, you can put the word joy in there or get a taller flower and spell out longer words for the season. It's entirely up to you. Just be creative with it. Have fun with it. I got so wrapped up in doing this that I forgot about me cup of tea. Well, it's time to make another cuppa, like we would say in England. I thought about putting a little something on the end of these tassels, but then I looked at it and thought that what I have done is enough. The ones I make for Christmas, I will definitely put some on the tassels. Making this seamless candle cover was so much fun and so easy, anyone can do it. The most it cost to make was maybe $2, and the majority of the supplies were from the Dollar Tree, and I bought the candle from Hobby Lobby years ago. Wow, those really turned out pretty. Not too shabby. If you have any ideas or comments, let me know in the comments section below. Please like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, everyone, take care.